Hey everybody, 12 noon, 5 seconds, May 15th. This is now the main drawing for the Tales to Astonish 27. Over here are the 45 filled spots. About half filled with purchases, half filled with 5 minis. So let's roll our 3 dice, find this book a new home. Number is 15. I'm going to randomize 15 times. The name at the top of the list will get the book. I'm going to actually try to get it out this afternoon. Worst case, it will ship tomorrow, Thursday the 16th. Good luck, everybody. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and this is the final one, 16, spot 43, Jason Caraway. Congratulations, got that from the final spot in the final mini. Congratulations, 1201, 6.